So I found it really funny. I was speaking to a lady who was, hate to say it, but she was grossly overweight, right? And of course, she had a decent job making, six figures, right? And I asked her, okay, so what are your requirements for a husband? She said that this guy has got to make at least six figures, and she went through a gauntlet of all the things that she wanted, required from a man. And I was just looking at this lady. I was like, what right do you have to ask for $100,000, right? She had to be at least 275 pounds. Like she had a gut from, I mean, her gut was crazy, right? But yet, she still felt the need, to require a man to make $100,000. I find that funny. How women can actually have all these prerequisites to get married, right? But the one thing that men want, which is beauty and purity, they can't provide us that. I find that